So time to look at an update on the Cosmos. Cosmos, what was this? Yeah, Cosmos Sensation seeds that I had planted. Now this is 13 days back. I was going to look at it a couple of days back, say 2-3 days back, but ran into some severe cold and cough and some amount of temperature increase. So I postponed it. They aren't going anywhere. So let's look and see where they are. I'm feeling slightly better. So let's see where they are right now, and we'll then take it from there. Let me just open the box and see. Okay, so I could have looked at it a couple of days earlier. I wasn't in that condition, but they are all of them. A lot of them have germinated. Time to replant them. I've got this seeding tray. I'm going to fill it with my potting mix, moistened, and I'll. These are large holes, so I'm going to put two two of these seedlings into every one of them. I'll take out one of the seedlings and show you. You can take a look. You have to pull it out very gently. No pulling, no tugging, just a gentle tugging. Make sure that the tissue is moist. That will help in ensuring that it comes out easily. If the tissue is dry, the root might break off there. So just wait. So this is what the seedling looks like. Can you see it clearly? Focus can be a problem sometimes. Okay, so I'm trying. I don't know whether you can see it clearly or not. Otherwise, I'll take a photo and put the photo here.